I'm always nervous about referenda because often people vote on other issues other than the issue before them. But from all the doors I've knocked and all the people I've talked to, I can't see it being defeated.
Do you think the older generation though have more reservations about it and they might not speak publicly about it, but then when it comes to polling day they can vote?
Yeah, that might be the truth.
Do you understand why?
Yeah. I've talked to lots of people. I understand it. I had a public meeting in Wexford last Monday. Obviously most people who come to those meetings support the yes side. But there is, you talk on a one-to-one with older people, there is a natural reluctance. But there's an innate decency and fairness. And they look at their own children and they say, well, if my child is gay, I want him to have the same, or her to have the same happiness, the same prospects.
And what do you think of the no side bringing children and surrogacy and issues like that?
I think they're completely red herrings. This is about one issue. The no side have to put external factors in, because the net issue that people have been asked on the ballot paper is, should equality be given to same-sex couples? It's an equality question, and that is an unanswerable question. That's why I think the vast majority of people will vote yes. Everything else is an extraneous distraction designed to confuse people.